If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To insert pages into a PDF in Acrobat, open the PDF into which to insert the pages in Acrobat. Then click the Organize Pages tool in the All Tools panel to show the Organize Pages view of the PDF in Acrobat. The Organize Pages view in Acrobat shows thumbnail images of the PDF's pages in the main document window. Next, click the Insert button in the Organize Pages panel at the left side of the window to show a menu of page insertion options. To insert all the pages from a PDF file, select the From File option to open the Select File to Insert dialog box. Then use this dialog box to navigate to the PDF containing the pages to insert, select it, and then click the Open button to continue. Alternatively, to insert pages from content you previously copied to your clipboard, select the From Clipboard option. Alternatively, to insert pages from a scanner using the Scan and OCR screen, select the From Scanner choice and then follow the on-screen instructions. Alternatively, to insert a web page, select the From Web Page choice and then enter a web page URL in the Add Web Page dialog box that opens, or use the Browse button to select a local web page and then click the Add button to finish. Alternatively, to insert a blank PDF page, select the Blank Page option. After selecting the page source for all options, the Insert Pages dialog box then opens. To choose where to insert the selected pages in the current PDF, select either the Before or After choice from the Location drop-down in the Insert Pages dialog box. To select the page in the current PDF before or after which to insert the selected page, select a choice in the Page section. Your choices are First, Last, or Page. If you select the page choice, then type the page number of the page before or after which to insert the pages into its adjacent field. Finally, click the OK button to insert the selected pages into the PDF at the specified location. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.